U-shaped threaded fasteners combine the robustness of a traditional mechanical fastener and the versatility of spring steel clips to create a value-added panel assembly solution suited to most high-speed assembly environments. To assemble, the part is pushed on until the panel retaining feature engages in the mating hole. Lead-ins on legs help to ease insertion. Once installed, further part handling is no longer required throughout the rest of the assembly operation. The installer positions the mating panel to the fastener by aligning the holes. Once aligned, the screw is driven through the hole of the mating panel into the screw retention feature of the U-nut. The screw retaining feature can change from part to part depending on the screw specification and the loading requirements of the joint. U-nuts are used throughout multiple markets where panels are assembled via mechanical fasteners. Once installed, the fastener is hidden, but the head of the screw is visible, making this a serviceable joint. No special tools or capital assembly equipment are required, speeding the assembly process. The strength of the joint is comparable to traditional mechanical fasteners. The counter-torque feature eliminates the need for access to the back of the panel. Because the part is self-retaining, sub-assembly can be assigned to areas of the plant better suited for assembly, or can be outsourced to manufacturing facilities that specialize in assembly. A. Raymond Industrial Fasteners allow you to replace traditional fastening methods with innovative solutions that combine aesthetics and functionality. They are quick and easy to install and do not require mounting tools.